What's up, it's Enrique at T-Shirt Boomin' here at Milwaukee Screen Printing, and today we're going to be printing a 2-color image on a black t-shirt. Alright, we're going to be printing shirts for a window tinting company. So they tinted my truck's windows, so now we're going to be making t-shirts for them. So check it out. So we're going to be printing 2 colors. So whenever we print on a dark garment, we have to use 2 coats of the same color. So I'm going to start off with the red. Alright, so that's the first coat. As you can see, it's not that opaque. So what I have to do is flash it and then do another coat of the red.
Measure her to throw it right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank.
Alright, so now that we got the first color down, first coat, we're going to do a second coat of the same color. That looks so much better.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. 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 Fuck up this like every day on the regular. Creeping the sky out the window.
The next step is to print the second color on the shirt. So just like the first color, we're going to hit it with 2 coats. Here goes the first one. Looks pretty good, but since we're printing on dark, we gotta hit it twice.
Nebula. I'm getting plays on the cellular. These nigga bitches run stories like editors. Hop in the drop and go nuts.
Yes sir, it's T-Shirt Boomin'. Tap in if you need merch printed. We got 15 shirts for $1. Alright, so now that the first coat of the second color is printed, I'm just gonna hit it with the second coat and then we'll be done with the backs. There we go. Looks great.
Right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like.
Alright, and that's how the image looks. There you go. 2 colors printed on a black garment.
Measure her to throw it right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
There's T-Shirt Boomin'. Tap in if you need merch printed. We got 15 shirts for $150. That includes the T-shirt and your logo printed. 30 shirts for $270 and 50 for $400.